Hello, First Violence. This is your Mr. Parker, and we are about to do some Kung Fu Fighting. Yeah! So, we are doing the arrangement by Ellen Harle, and we are going to go ahead and get started. So, notice at the very beginning you have the D and the B within one measure. It's two whole notes. And so, you're probably wondering, like, how the heck does that happen? What you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you tremolo. Instead of tremolo with the right hand, you're going to tremolo with the left hand. Long story short, that's when you alternate. It's kind of like a trill, actually. You alternate between the fingers, kind of like a trill would be where you take one note and you go the note above or so forth and so forth. But in this case, we're actually going from a D and a B, and you're holding that for 8 whole counts within that bar. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, change, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, 3, 4, and so forth and so forth. Okay, so when you have those first two bars, our first 8 bars, essentially, that's what we're looking at. Be very careful with these rhythms that we have at letter A. I know whole note scary. But then the next one is a 16th eighth with another 16th tied to an eighth, and then an eighth tied to a half note. So in terms of our counting, we have to keep thinking about the subdivision of the 16th note, 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and as we're going, we want to make sure that we're staying super steady. And we have 1E and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1E and okay. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and take that as is. And then for the rest of the rhythms, for the most part, we've really looked at a lot of those before. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to turn on my handy dandy metronome. Quarter note equals 90. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, up, boom. 2, 3, 4. Down, 2, 3. Da, 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 da. 1, 2, rest for 2A, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4, 1 E down and D, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you're at a point where your fourth finger pinky is not super strong, feel free to play this in third position. I'll do that on the repeat. Letter C. So now I'm in third position. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you keep that counting opening and going. Now we're back to first. Letter C. Second ending. Switch back to down bow here. 2. Try not to use an open E here. 2, 3. 2, nice slow bow. 1, 2, 3. Oops, no open E, haha. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and there you go. That's all of Kung Fu Fighting. Enjoy, happy practice, and practice your Kung Fu. Hua!